Alright, what's up guys? I've had this old jet ski shell sitting out in the back 40 for quite a while, and I was thinking what would be the best use for it? What would be the most practical, best use for this thing? So I went out, looked it up, and hauled it out of the woods, brought it down here to the shop, and
we're gonna take it off for 20 drop.
And I think we finally found the solution. So this is a 1988, I believe, 87 or 88 Yamaha Phazer, 480cc, and it's in pretty good shape. This is gonna be what's powering the jet ski shell. Track on it, if you can see that, is pretty much brand new. So start taking apart this thing and put the body of this onto here. Alright, so we got all the body panels off the sled here. Now we're moving on to cutting apart the shell.
I would just take this off with a
I think what happens is
gutting out the inside.
Held that together somehow, but yeah, you figure out how it was. Like I got a bolt right there, and I got one like right under. Is that actually a bolt or just? It might be a screw, maybe a rivet.
Alright guys, and that is why you wear safety glasses and gloves.
Even though I was. Look at that.
The first major cut.
There you go. Try to just rip it off with there now.
Perfect.
Well, I didn't even need that part cut off.
There it is.
It's probably the most significant thing I've ever done.
Alright, so far it's looking pretty perfect, like it almost was made for it. We gotta still cut out a little bit here for the strut tower and the belt. Same on this side, and then over here the handlebars should fit right in here, and then obviously the seat. I think we're looking pretty good. All right, so we got it pretty much about there. It looks insane in person. I think it's coming out on camera too. We gotta do a couple more fine trimming to make it fit just right, and then weld in a mount right here to hold this up some more. Oh yeah, and then we gotta put the handlebars back together because they're just loose. You gotta extend them up too a little bit, put a riser in there. But as for right now, this is looking pretty good. All right, so it is the next day, and we are working on putting in the custom handlebar riser so we can clear the plastics from returning. Then once we finish that, we're going to make a custom mount for the seat right here. So it's gonna hold this up nice and steady, and it won't really move at all. Okay, so we got the riser installed and it's pretty much perfect, nice and up high. Now we're thinking we couldn't have the gauge cluster here because it was hitting when you would turn. So we're thinking about rerouting it to right in here, right in there, which I think would look pretty sick. So we're probably gonna go with that. We're gonna have to extend a couple cords. The wiring should work still. Might have to extend a couple wires, but that should be good there. That should be the plan there. So now we're working on the mounts back here. Came up with these things here. Just a piece of rebar with a bolt welded onto the top, and then a little plate of steel at the bottom there. And that's pretty much the last piece of the puzzle for right now, until we get the gauge cluster wired in. It is at least rideable now with those handlebars up there, so I think it's about time to take her out. I've been working on a new seat, duct tape special. Ran out of duct tape, so we can't finish it, but that's looking a lot better. All right, what's going on, guys? It's been about a week or so. We still don't have any snow. I'm not sure what that's about, but I figured I'd still give you guys a walk around of the snow ski and show you what I have finished so far. So, as you can see, this thing came out amazing. It is absolutely beautiful. And last we left off, obviously I finished up the seat, duct tape special, went with the chrome, had to go with the chrome. And then we got the heated handlebar switch, mounted that right there. This will be for the headlight. We got to add a headlight and taillight still. And of course we got the handlebar riser. And then I'll show you what the mounts look like under here. So there's 1 and 2. Basically, they're just 2 pieces of rebar that are drilled into the tunnel of the snowmobile, and they just hold this up. They hold up the whole body and they keep it tight. And then the handlebars, they work perfect. They function exactly how you would think. We got the brake, throttle, kill switch. It all works great. And then down here we have the key, the choke, and then the gas cap. So I'm gonna have to definitely keep a funnel with me whenever I go to fill up, because that's pretty far down in there. But it all works just how it should. And then this piece still functions as the hood. So under here we have the engine. Still plenty of room to work on it. And I do just want to give a big thank you to my friends Matthew, Dom, and Caleb, who were able to help me out with this thing. It was definitely a pain cutting out all this fiberglass, and they helped me out, which was great. So I'm very appreciative of that. I will go ahead and start it up for you guys real quick. She does fire right up. She's gonna be an absolute ripper. We're gonna add the gauge cluster right here as well. Might need a little bit of carb clean, but that's all right. But yeah, so this is basically the finished product. Like I said, still missing a couple things like the lights and stuff, but that can come later, not a huge deal. We did actually get some snow over Christmas, which was nice, and I was able to take it out for its first ride around the yard with some friends, so I will show you that now. But as soon as we do get more snow, I will definitely put up some more videos of this thing on the trails, so look out for that. Thanks for watching and following along with the build of the snow ski, and enjoy these clips of its first ride.
Yard. All right, send it.
Yeah.
are crashing. We got white caps. We got white caps going on. Crazy, crazy.